my cat.
Kind of lonely though. Maybe.
I was never lonely. Not even for a minute.
Maybe. You're my baby kitty.
I guess we'll never figure out what that glimmer is.
Nope. Pretty though. Hey, wait. It's doing something. I'll protect you.
Yes, I love you. You too. Your claws are stuck on mommy. Yeah.
You're alive?
Yeah.
Yes, it's me. Boy, did somebody hit you two with an old and ugly
My old lady.
I thought I killed you with the time
She's
button.
very,
I
very
thought
old.
so too at first, but it seems I was simply rotated into an orthogonal time that
She's
runs
like
at
12 or
right angles to this
13.
one. I've been
Yeah, she
covering for
is.
decades, searching every instant
Yes,
from
you
yesterday
are.
to tomorrow. We've been
Yeah.
right now the whole time. I wasn't looking for you. I was looking for the time button.
My beautiful girl, yes.
I landed on it. Time
And she is like this
Tried to
with me,
fix it once, then I got
constantly.
mad and hated it some more. I guess it's good we didn't have children.
Right? You're like that all the time with mommy.
Idiot.
Yeah.
That goes the lefty loose.
Right up my
Right,
butt.
tidy, and fix.
And if I stop petting her or giving her attention, she'll keep putting her paw up to me like she is right now.
I've modded the device to release a single huge anti-chronoton blast.
Right, cutie?
Rip us out of space, back to
Yeah.
the
And that's the
instant before I
phone.
conceived of the time button. We'll all get to live our lives over again? Oh my, yes.
Okay, I guess that's enough.
Robot.